There are a number of things you need to know about fall injuries at construction sites. The most important thing is that New York State has an incredible statute that provides extraordinary protection to people involved in construction accidents, particularly fall injuries, or if someone's injured by a falling object. Labor Law Section 240, subsection 1, provides liability to the owners of property and general contractors when someone falls. What it does is it shifts the responsibility of falls at construction sites from the individual worker to the people who have control of the site. So if you fall or are hit by a falling object, there's absolute liability in most circumstances. Also, there is a secondary statute that becomes very important. That's Labor Law Section 241, subsection 6. That labor law section provides protection for construction workers when there has been a violation of a code section. Now, New York State mimics OSHA regulations in many respects, and New York State has a whole series of codes that govern construction sites. And of course, we know those codes. What is necessary for us to do is to look at the particular circumstances, employ people who are experts, and determine whether your fall itself or being struck by a falling object was as a result of a code violation. Once that happens, Labor Law Section 241, subsection 6 kicks in, and again, there is strict responsibility for not only the owner of the property, even if they're not on site, but for any general contractor involved in the construction site, and oftentimes even construction managers.